Integrating technological product innovation and product development within enterprises. Product innovation refers to the creation of developing a new idea for the realization or development of a new product or service. Product innovation destroys existing products by creating new ones that are not available in the present market. Companies tend to add innovation to their new products in order to attract more customers, so increase their profits and have competitive edge over the other companies. The complete cycle of innovating product after further developments and modifications till it reaches maturity and leads to innovation of another new product is time consuming and exceedingly complicated. It needs immense precautions to implement the idea of product innovation and the development of the same. Maintaining balance in this regard is a very important aspect for a company. There is a need to coordinate perfectly several disciplines related to human, business, and technological skills. These three aspects have a significant influence on the value of a new product. So, human aspects. Successful innovation maximizes the user appreciation of the products offered. Understanding and treating the human interest in key to define your design drivers. Use of function analysis. The reaction of the user on the character and usability of the product. Ergonomics. The product must correspond to the physical capabilities of the user. Socio-cultural context of a product requires a good analysis and especially of a good vision of the situation in which the user will be at the time the new survive of product will be offered. Technological aspects. So technological aspects in product development are typically related to materials, design and construction, optimization, physics and development of mechanical or electronic systems, manufacturing and assembly technology. These aspects are determined by criteria such as mechanical and thermal load, interface capabilities, limitations and capability by other systems. Economic aspects. Economic aspects include knowledge of the competition and its offer, total cost of development or other production preliminary cost, approach of the distribution, the development time to market and the price that the prospective user is willing to pay for the provided product or service. An integrated approach. The development of a new product is often handled as a sequential process. The technological aspects are usually elaborated first, then the economic aspects are discussed gradually, and ultimately the human aspects get involved. The fundamental issue of this approach is the priority design to the different aspects. The aspects that are examined first have a dominant impact on others and finally on the end product. Methodologies and tools in product innovation process. The methodologies and tools of most interest to the innovator are those that directly enable, support and direct the right methods and practices for the innovation process. Deep dive. Deep dive is a brainstorming technique wherein a group of people meet to generate new ideas and solutions around a specific domain of interest. All contributions are valid and the key to a successful session is to share as many ideas as possible without evaluating them. All the ideas are recorded and evaluated once the deep dive session is completed. Ideas may be used independently or combined for a better cause. Deep dive provides a quick means for tapping the creativity of a limited number of people for a large number of ideas. It provides a free and open environment that encourages everyone to participate. Prototyping. A prototype is an early sample, model or release of a product built to test a concept or process or to act as a thing to be replicated or learned from. So prototyping is often an overlooked aspect of production innovation. Design thinking. So design thinking draws on logic, imagination, intuition and systematic reasoning to explore the possibilities of what could be and to create a desired outcomes that benefit the end user customer. So design thinking means you're thinking about the outcome of the end customer. So they will think about the complete design of a product. TRIS, theory of inventive problem solving. TRIS is a methodology or a technique for innovation that provides excellent principles or models and concepts tools for creative thinking for technology development. TRIS is more or less similar to brainstorming, however, owing to its complexity, it can be a barrier to its use and application. Open innovation. So, open innovation means it is an innovation technique that involves flow of ideas of knowledge within the outside the organization during the innovation process. Ideas are evaluated and only the best and most promising ones are selected for their development and commercialization. So suppose a company wants to make a product, it will put a challenge outside the organization or a company. So those who come and participate and finally submit a best idea will be accepted and that will be commercialized. This is called open innovation. So co-creation. Co-creation is an innovative technique that makes use of people external to the company in the ideation phase of the new product or service development. People involved in the process may include customers, suppliers, distributors, or the general population who are made aware that they are contributing towards the development of ideas and the concepts. Agile innovation. Agile innovation refers to an iterative, incremental method of managing the idea related to design and build activities of engineering, information technology, and other business areas that aim to provide new product or service development in a highly flexible and interactive manner. The technique helps generate better ideas by involving people across the entire organization and the surrounding ecosystem. Traditionally, agile methodology has been applied to the realm of software development and information technology sector. So however, today its scope and use has been extended widely. Agile innovation is not limited to only innovating new offerings, but it emphasizes sustainability of new innovation in changing environment.